In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to delete Replit account. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting your account is permanent. Your projects, comments, and profile will be removed according to Replit's policies. If you have anything you want to keep, export your replis first and make sure you've canceled any active subscriptions. Also, if you're part of any teams or organizations, consider transferring ownership of important projects before you proceed. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Replit homepage. If you aren't already signed in, log in with your account credentials. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile avatar. Clicking it typically opens a menu with account options. If your layout shows a left sidebar, you may see a gear icon there as well. Both paths lead to the same place. Next, open Settings. You can do this from the avatar menu by choosing Settings or by clicking the gear icon if it's visible on your screen. On mobile, you may need to tap the menu icon first to expose the Settings option. Give the page a moment to load. You'll be taken to a central hub that controls your account preferences. Within Settings, go to the Profile section. It's often listed in the left-hand tabs or near the top if you're on a smaller screen. The Profile area is where you manage identity and account level controls, and it's also where Replit places options related to account deletion. Now scroll down until you find the Delete Account section. Read the description carefully so you understand what data will be removed and what might remain for compliance or billing records. When you're ready, click Request Account Deletion. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you truly want to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. You may be asked to enter your password, acknowledge that the deletion is irreversible, or provide a brief reason. In some cases, Replit may send a verification email or apply a short waiting period to prevent accidental removal. Keep an eye on your inbox and complete any required confirmations. Once confirmed, your account will be queued for deletion and you won't be able to sign back in with it. That's the entire process from start to finish. Take a moment beforehand to double check backups, subscriptions, and shared projects to avoid losing access to anything important. If you change your mind before confirmation, simply close the prompt